Question 26c. The probability that Michael will score more than 100 points in a game of bowling is 31/40. So part 1. A commentator states that the probability that Michael will score less than 100 points in a game of bowling is 9/40. Is the commentator correct? Give a reason for your answer. Now this statement here, more than, does not include Michael scoring exactly 100 points. So we need to think about what is the complement of more than. Is it less than? Or is there something else we need to take into account? Now clearly, the complement of more than is less than or equal to. So the commentator did not take into account the probability that Michael scores exactly 100 points. So the commentator is wrong, since the complement of more than is less than or equal to. And the commentator does not take into account the equal to part here. Part 2. Michael plays 2 games of bowling. What is the probability that he scores more than 100 points in the first game and then again in the second game? So let's call this the probability of a win-win. So let's say that Michael scoring over 100 points is a win. And they're independent events in that the first game does not affect, or in theory does not affect, Michael's performance in the second game. So we can just multiply the 2 probabilities. So probability of a win-win is equal to 31/40. So that's the probability of Michael scoring more than 100 points. That's the first game multiplied by the probability of winning more than 100 points in the second game. And that gives us 961/1600.